Joining us now, Mr. Annamalai, the Tamil Nadu BJP chief, who's demanding lifting of restrictions in terms of public worship in temples on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. So what are your key demands?
The key demand is very simple, sir. When BJP as a party, we are with the state government for opening of schools. Despite the fact children below 18 years are not vaccinated. The only reason is we don't want school children to be at home for an extended period of time. When the state government has made a decision to open the cinema theatres also, what stops it from closing the temples on Friday, Saturday and Sunday? As a reputed journalist, Sam Daniel ji, you know, the crowd that is going to a temple is more on Thursday, is more on Monday. That is a high-risk corona case. So the government is trying to push its ideology in the name of corona contamination, corona control to all the Hindu temples, to the mosque as well as to the church. That's why we have made a demand. 10 days from now, the government has to change its order. It has to allow every single community to go to their places of worship and worship their God. If it is not doing it, right now we call this as an Ara Poratam. It's a very controlled Poratam message to the government. If they don't do it, after 10 days, we'll make sure this government will become non-functioning because of the people's support and people's voice we have for our next round of protest.
It's also true the central government in its advisory has warned states that large gatherings in worship places could turn into super spreaders. State government says they're only following the guidelines.
Agree with your point, sir. The central government has issued an advisory circular banning large gathering. Large gathering, because of their foolish decision on banning it on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the large gathering happens on Thursday and Monday morning. The government can always put a restrictive practice, an SOP. How many people should be allowed, temperature check and everything. Banning the temple on weekends, what logic does it serve? When you have cinema theatres open on weekends, when you have schools where you are putting our children at risk below 18 years, this is our only request. It is not definitely a political drama we are doing. We are for the Hindu temples, for the mosque and for the Christian churches. Let it be open. What are you trying to do? There is no logic they have given. They keep taking recourse to central government circular. When the same Mr. M.K. Stalin, when he was opposition leader, he said, they will not respect central government circular. In a federal setup, they make their own decision. Now they make their own decision when it suits their convenience. When it doesn't suit their convenience, they take recourse to a central advisory circular.
You don't think this could lead to a super spreader kind of thing, numbers going up very high again?
Sir, the super spreader kind of events are like a closed cinema theatre. The super spreader events are when unvaccinated children, when they are inside a classroom, when it is not supervised properly. Temples, when there is a free flow of pilgrims. Now many pilgrims are forced to go on Thursday. Thursday night there is a law and order problem between the temple priest and the pilgrim. Because he closes the temple at 7:30, you see the crowd outside.
The worry is the crowd could turn uncontrollable at worship places.
It will not, sir. The reason is when you open it out, people will plan and go on all 7 temples. Their only logic is to push their ideology into a common man's life. That is what we are against. And closing of temple is a ruse to achieve their political ideology.
And lastly, would you persuade central government also to revise their guidelines?
So central government cannot make decision for each state specifically. That is why it is called an advisory circular. Still some states, they have got corona cases much above the national average. Some states are much below, for example, Tamil Nadu. In that case, it is for the Tamil Nadu government to apply its mind, because they apply their mind everywhere. Schools they are opening, theatres they are opening, they apply their own mind. Now for temples, why should they take recourse to an advisory circular?
Is the BJP taking this issue amid the ongoing local body elections? Is that why?
No, sir. The reason is today is Navaratri, sir. We were expecting government to change their mind. 29th of September, their order followed the previous order, closing. Then we waited for Mahalaya Amavasya, which is a sacred day for a lot of Hindus, they didn't do. We thought at least for Navaratri they might make an exemption, but yesterday the Hindu Endowment Minister has given a statement they will not do. We didn't have a choice. We really did not want to do a protest in the middle of an election, but we didn't have a choice. Navaratri is part of people's life. Today is the first day of Navaratri, they can go to temples. What about tomorrow, sir? What about the next 3 days?
Thank you so much for your time. That was Tamil Nadu BJP Chief Mr. Annamalai talking to us. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.